All right, so today is Trigger Pull Thursday, and the object of the trigger pull today is this is the Mossberg 702 Plinkster 22 caliber. I just got called by my gun shop and they had this for me. It's a used, got a real good price on it. And let's see some specs on this. It is imported by Mossberg International, North Haven, Connecticut. But here is the kicker. This was made in Brazil by CBC, and this is the exact clone. I'm not sure which one came first, the Mossberg or the Rossi. I got a feeling it was the Rossi RS22, but it's the exact same rifle. So we're going to do a trigger pull on this thing. You can see it's a semi-automatic. It's got the crossbolt safety. Safety is on. Safety is off. Safety is on. I'm going to be using, came with one 10-round magazine. I should have a couple more coming in pretty soon, and I'm going to load up 3 snap caps. These are snap caps, non-firing. See the big hole at the end? So I'm going to be using these 3. Magazine fits nicely. Alright, so let's do one trigger pull on this, at least the first one. I'm using my Lyman electronic trigger pull gauge. And I know this thing is not exactly the greatest trigger pull, but we're going to do it anyway. So there's the first one, 0.00. I guess I wasn't ready for that. Let's try it again. See if I can have a successful trigger pull this time. I think that means it's ready. Alright, second try. Second try is exactly 6 pounds on that trigger, which is kind of heavy. I'm going to try one more. So the first was 6 pounds. And I think I'm only going to do one more. But this is the last one. So this was 5 pounds 10 ounces. And that is the Mossberg 702 for Trigger Pull Thursday. I haven't fired any rounds out of this yet because I just got it and I spent about an hour cleaning it up. And it's actually in fairly good shape. It's got plastic stock. It's got some grooves for a scope. It's adjustable. So it's I'm glad I found this. I was really looking for one. So that's it. Trigger Pull Thursday, all done. And let's have a little cowbell for the Mossberg. Knuckle bump.